Why are you turning around? I'm trying to get my ring light to work and it's turning around. It's literally turning around. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Gail Sheree. Alright, today we're gonna do, well, tonight I just got home from work and I really need to get this video done. So we are gonna go through some art supplies that I had. It's very short. This one is not gonna be much like the last one that you can check out right here or right here, wherever. I'll put it on, you know that already. But yeah, this one is a little bit, you know, cute but smaller, and we're just gonna go through it, and then I want to show you some artwork that I did. Well, there's one there's one right there already, and then I have some more over here that I will show in a little bit. So let's get into it. So we're gonna start off with something that I bought in Portmore. Something that I bought. My viewfinder is here from my phone. Listen, every time I have a video and I have my viewfinder in the wrong place, my eyes be drifting, but I'm gonna work on it. So how cute are these colors? I had an orange one as well, and I also had another blue one, but I sold those art pieces. So now I thought I had a red. Didn't I have a red? Thought I had a red for this art piece around here, but it seems I don't have the red. So yeah, so these are tissue papers. Basically it's like packaging paper, and they're $70 at a bookstore in the Portmore Mall, and they're quite cute. And I got enough for my art pieces because I'm going to continue making some more. So I need to make sure that my packaging and my, my presentation is nice. It's just nice. The presentation just look good. So that's one. I don't have, as I said, $70 Jamaican for it. I don't have any links or anything for it, so I just wanted to show. It's actually quite big. Let me see if I can get it as big as possible. I don't want to tear. It's huge. Okay, it's huge. So normally I use one, but I mean, I can go ahead and use half if I need to use half if the art piece is not as big. So now for the next item. These are stickers. They are adorable. They're adorable. I'm not taking them all out. I believe it's 100. It's 100 neon pieces of stickers. Let me just take out a few. We can look at them. Maybe you guys can. Okay, may have to turn on the flash. The flash up here. Yeah. So, do you know what that says? What does it say? You only fail when you stop trying. The time is now. I know there was one that says, girl, let's do it. There's one that says slay. I don't know. Ooh. I know there was one that said, oh, I had to package one for my friend. She bought 2 of my art pieces, and I put the slay one in there. I think I have a video. I don't know if I have a video with it, but let me continue. So I'm just gonna give you guys 2 more. You are really so pretty. And as we all know, around here, no bad vibes. So yeah, it's a lot. It's a whole lot. It's a whole lot. So that's good. That's good. I'll put the price up on either side, and if you're interested, you can go ahead and shop. They have different types actually. They have some other ones. They have football, they have American football, they have many others, so you can go check that out. All right. Oh. Guys, this is not even supposed to be this heavy. It's not supposed to be this heavy, but it's heavy, and it's literally just packaging paper. Let me take one that's open already. I don't want to lift it up because the address is on there. How cute is this? How adorable. How adorable is this? And I went and I got the variety, guys. It's nice. The variety package. So let me show you. Oh, now I'm gonna need the light back. It seems to be a family-owned business. Oh, I don't even want to take them out. I'm just going to show you. That was my bottle of water. Just going to show you two. There's this one. So this is one. It's a cheetah print. And then you saw this one. And then I believe it's two others in here. Or is it just the... Yeah, there's two others. So there is, I'm just gonna take it partly out. There's this one as well. Butterflies. And then this one, which is just the flowers. Guys, girls, everybody, it's so nice. I love it. I love it. Yeah, so that's second part. That was really the cute part that I was talking about earlier. It's really cute. I don't even want to crush them or anything. I don't want to take them out, but they are heavy though. They're very heavy. So let's put them back up, and we're gonna go to the last item. It's the last item next. Okay, so excited, guys. Anyways, last but not least, we need the canvas or the canvas art. Okay. Oh, I'm making noise. Sorry. We need the canvas. We need the canvas for the canvas. I really hope that was not loud. I hope that was not loud. But so we're gonna pull it together. It's just checking if I'm in focus. We're gonna pull it together. So this is how it looks. Seems like they just wrapped it around a couple times or something, but these have easels with them as well, and I just want one. I don't even want all of them, but why is that? Oh, it's packaged in a package. It's packaged in a package, guys. Oh, these are adorbs. These are adorbs. It's one of two things I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna think about it, because this is okay. So these are really nice, really nice. You know, I'm gonna pop it up on the screen. I got a pack of 6. Not a pack of 6. And then this one. And oh, the canvas feels, there's a hole, sir. The canvas feels sturdy and it feels good. I'll see how the easel holds up, and I'll let you all know. So yes, so that was it for the haul. So nice. So yeah, so that's it for the haul. We have the stickers, the easels, and the canvas. We have the tissue paper, and and the packaging paper. That's what we have for today. Alright. Tired, guys, but anyways, so I did say I'm going to show you a few of my artwork that I have. You can see this one here. It actually says shine bright. I think I'm going to go pick it up afterwards. I have this one. I don't even know if the lighting is doing it justice. Yeah, so this is one of my fluid art pieces. It's really nice. That's one. And then the sprinkles, I do have some silver sprinkles. I grew up calling it sprinkles. It's actually glitter. So yeah. So I have that one. Then I try to do some calligraphy. It says, believe you can, and you are halfway there. Theodore Roosevelt. Doing my best. And then I have an attachment to this one. Oh, I know not a lot of people like pink, but it's like the pink and the green just does something. And then the red, the pop of red right there just does something, guys. It's just and oh, I have an earring on there as well. Yeah, I got this inspo off Pinterest and I just kind of made it my own, and I really love it. And then that's the other one. Let me go pick up. I took out the microphones. This is the other one. Shine bright. Yes, shine bright. So nice, so colorful, so glittery. It's different. It's just different. That's all I know. It's just different. I really like it. So yeah, so those are my art pieces. Put it one side. So I've shown you the art supplies and some of my artwork. I really hope you enjoyed this haul video, this just sit down and chill with me video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.